Let's make a delicious flan napolitano. This is one of my favorite flans because it has cream cheese and I love cream cheese. So if you guys haven't tried it and you don't know how to make it, stay tuned and I'll show you guys how. We're gonna start off by preparing the flan mix. We're gonna be adding 4 large eggs, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 8 ounces of cream cheese. Now we blend. I'm gonna start preparing the caramel for the flan. I'm gonna be using 1 cup of sugar. The sugar is gonna crystallize and then it's gonna start melting. It's been about 5 minutes and as you can see, the sugar is now caramelized. Now we're gonna add it to the container. We're gonna grease the pan. Now it's time to add the flan mixture. Next, we're gonna cover it with foil. I'm filling up my baking tray with water because we're gonna be using the bain-marie method to cook it. Bain-marie is Baño's Maria. And then I'm gonna be putting it in the oven. We're setting our oven at 350 degrees. We're gonna be baking it for about an hour to an hour and a half. It's been about 1 hour and 5 minutes and I think the flan is ready. Let's open it up. Look at how pretty it looks and it already smells so delicious. And now we're gonna flip the flan. Now we're gonna let it cool off for about 30 minutes before we put it in the fridge. We're gonna put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. The flan has been in the fridge for about 2 hours. Now I'm gonna add some dulce de leche. And we're gonna sprinkle some pecans on top. And there you have it, delicious flan napolitano. Now I'm gonna cut myself a piece. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Bye!